Hi, it's me, JD. I'm back and I'm blonde. Welcome back to my channel. This is the second challenge I have done featuring my face on the camera, and today I have a very special guest. Oh, guest, would you come on over here? We have our very special guest. Guest, why don't you tell us what your name is?
Owen.
Owen. And how old are you?
4.
4. And who's your mommy, Owen?
You.
Yes. And what you're gonna do today, Owen, is you're gonna help me make some cards. You're gonna pick my supplies for me. Is that okay? Okay, awesome. We got different kinds of paper here. Can you see that? We have regular white paper. We got brown paper, craft paper, and we got colored cardstock. Which one do you want Mommy to use? Colored paper, you got it. Alrighty, Owen, we got some stamps here for you to choose. Do you want ice cream stamp? Ooh, what is this? Superhero stamps, dinosaur stamps. Which one do you want Mommy to use? Which one is that? The superhero. Why do you want Mommy to use the superheroes?
Because I like Hulk.
You like the Hulk? Is it because you have a pin on your shirt too? Yeah, okay. How should Mommy color these? Should I use this marker, or this marker?
What's that color?
They're all red, so you just gotta choose a marker for me to use. The middle one? Okay, you got it. We got gems. Look at how sparkly stuff we got. Now, what should Mommy use to decorate? We got diamonds, gems. We got sequins, or we got this fun kind of glitter glue type deal. Which one should I use? This one. Okay, Nuvo drops it is. Well, thank you very much, Owen. You've been a very good helper. Yeah? Stop biting your nails. Are you excited to see the card Mommy's gonna make? Alright, awesome. Knuckles. Boom! Okay, excuse my voice. I have a little bit of a cold. So what we're gonna start off with is stamping, and I know that Owen picked the colored cardstock, but you can't color on colored cardstock, so we're gonna start with white. When I'm coloring my stamped images, is I always like stamp at least 2 because I can't ever tell which one is gonna turn out better. Even with the Misty, you never know, especially with a new stamp like this one. And for this card, I'm going to make Iron Man. Now, I know Owen said his favorite superhero was Hulk, but I think mine's Iron Man. Something about intellect and super cool tools and snarkiness just appeals to me for some reason. I don't know. This is not stamping all the way. I'm not putting any muscle into it. Mini Hulk muscle into it, as Owen would say. There we go. See? So, yeah. That's why I always stamp it twice. I'll be honest, I got these on like a Prime deal or something, and I was like, I saw other crafters have them, so I was like, oh, I want some, I guess. And I haven't really used them that much, so I'm kind of nervous and excited that he picked the Tombow markers. I normally use them for hand lettering, so coloring with them should be new. And I don't know what Iron Man looks like. I did not think this all the way through. Hold on, let's get a reference, shall we? So, this stamp set actually came with some stickers, so my stickers will make a great reference to Iron Man. And I always like to start off with like the lightest color when I do coloring, like yellows and whites and creams, because you don't want that to mix with your other colors and get them all muddy and messy, you know? Okay, so let's see. Iron Man's face is yellow or gold. Have I mentioned that I'm not the best colorer? If you hear some ambient noises sounding like rambunctious children, my husband is watching the kids right now, and I asked him for just an hour of crafty time to record this. So pressure's on to finish, and pressure's on him not to interrupt me. We'll see how he does. The rest of him is red? Never a quiet day in this house. This card is going to be for one of Owen's classmates for his birthday. He's, like he said, he's 4, so at this age, I mean, it's, you know, wrestling and Power Rangers and Ninja Turtles and birthday parties and Avengers. This will be perfect for that birthday party. Y'all, I'm really not the greatest at coloring. Why am I doing? I really like stamps that, like, color in for you. I think I'm too impatient for coloring, truthfully. I just want it colored now. I guess it's not that big a deal that I go outside the lines because I'm gonna fussy cut this out anyway. Still. Ugh. Alright, I think that's good enough. Sorry. Tony Stark. I ran this through my die cutting machine with a circle die. I wanted to make this a shaker card. What 4-year-old doesn't like shaker cards? I need a white card front, card base, card foundation, yeah, whatever. What is this called? Anyway, I already cut this piece out prior. That'll be my background. You can see this this is coming together. I'll just put the circle die over here, and I'll probably lose it later. But I'll watch a video and tell me, and it'll remind me, like, hey, you idiot, you put it over there. So first I need some acetate attached to this thing, and this piece of acetate is huge. I can cut this down. Yes? Yeah. Yeah. What do you need?
I was looking for the key to
the
storage unit. I think it's in my dresser.
Oh, okay. Moms don't take holidays, do we? Do we, ladies? Alright. And then to build shaker cards, you always need really good adhesive, so you don't want any bits falling out. Okay, first I'm gonna put this on my background with this. Whatever this is. Oh man, this fold has now gone to my head. Or either that or I'm getting old. Or both. Alright, and then I need foam tape. I like to double up on my foam tape because I like my shakers to shake. What do you guys like? You like non-shaky shakers or shakerific shakers? The shaker part is in the shape of a circle. Someone told me a tip where if you take off all the backing of your foam tape before, it'll be easier to manipulate around the curved shape. Check me out. And then I'm just gonna put foam tape around the other parts just to help make the card as even as possible. Oh man, I can't breathe. I'm so save me. He didn't choose the sequins, but I like them, so I'm using them. First though, I'm going to use this tip I learned from Kelly from Lawn Fun. She uses her anti-static powder, this thing, to like get rid of like any stickiness in between the shaker. That way your shaker bits can move a little more freely. Now I'll crack this baby open. This is this came with the superhero stamp kit too. Ooh, time to stick this thing on. I hate this part. Alrighty. Woohoo! Make sure that is all sealed up. Yeah! Perfect. Iron Man. There you are. I think this kind of tape is the only real tape that won't come off the acetate. Unless I'm wrong. Let me know. Let me know down in the comments what adhesive you guys like to use on all your crafty stuff. Because I think I mentioned this in my first video where I put my face on camera, was that I've only been crafting about a little over a year. I've been accumulating for 2 years, but I've only been crafting consistently, I should say, for a year. A lot of the stuff I get is on sale or secondhand because Help me, poor. I would love my own craft room one day, but not right now. There we go. Not Spidey, Iron Man. Now I need a sentiment. Oh, yay, Death by Misty. Okay, watch out now. A super birthday. There's no exclamation mark. Oh, I like when they have exclamation marks. Exclamation marks help when you're like, might have stamped it like crooked or off center. And the exclamation mark kind of, if it's possible, it might save you a little. Crafty hack for you. Alright. Oh no! Yeah. And lastly, we're using Nuvo drops, and I think this will be just fine. It's red, glittery Nuvo drops. Don't all superheroes like red, glittery embellishments? Dorothy of Oz could be considered a superhero. Cher could be a superhero. Perfect. And this card is finished. Now I just gotta let this dry overnight. I always let Nuvo drops dry overnight just in case. Let's get Owen back here and see what he thinks.
I choose Hulk.
Well, I know Hulk's your favorite, but I like Iron Man. But I used the whole stamp set though. How do you like it? Oh, careful. Ooh, good. Okay, whoops. Okay. Another reason why I let Nuvo drops dry overnight.
God told me not to do that.
Okay, sorry, I did not tell you not to do that. But, what do you think of the card? Just look at it. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Is it gonna be good for your friend's birthday party?
Which birthday party?
Gavin.
Yeah.
Yeah. You think you like it? Let's watch this. Cool, huh?
Then, can you hold it here?
Yep, on the edges. Don't touch the red part. Oh, whoa!
Yeah.
Can you say, subscribe to Mommy's channel? Look into this circle right here and say, subscribe to Mommy's channel.
Subscribe to Mommy's channel.
One more time. Subscribe to Mommy's channel.
Subscribe to Mommy's channel. Please.
Bye.